Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model this very simple dragon in Blender. Very simple and cute dragon I'm going to model in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. This was the reference, and this is our model. This is a cute little dragon model in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.